guys, it is Friday morning, October 15th. I have a fun day planned today. I am going to be meeting up with a friend for coffee at a park. We're gonna just go for a nice walk and drink some coffee and chat. We haven't spoken in a while, so I'm really looking forward to that. It's such a beautiful day for it as well. And then this afternoon, I am doing a Disney World trip report with one of my patrons, my friend Sarah, who went to Disney back in August. And
she's so excited.
She's so excited.
She's been talking about it all morning. I helped her do a trial run.
This is true.
There's a lot of preparation
for
this.
There was. I'm very excited because there's no better thing. The whole family's getting involved. There's no better thing than talking about Disney, and it's going to be a lot of fun, and I'm looking forward to it. So, and Emily's still here, so yeah.
So Mom's gonna vlog and not pay attention to me.
I better go pay attention to Emily now.
Also, everyone look at Mom's shirt because there's something inappropriate on it.
There's nothing inappropriate on it. It's my beach club shirt.
Comment down below what you think it is.
There's nothing inappropriate on my shirt. If you can see something inappropriate,
comment down below.
Let me know in the comments. All right, let's keep this PG, Emily. This is a family channel.
I'm livening up their days. You're welcome.
I'll see you guys later. Because I like to say goodbye before.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. I'll see you later. Of course, before I go, I am doing more laundry. Every day. So I'm trying to keep up because I have a lot to do this weekend, so I don't want to fall too behind with the laundry situation. So we have a change of plans. My friend actually is in a situation where she found a bunch of abandoned cats, and they're trapped in this place, and they're trying to feed them like through a window. And anyway, long story short, she's taking care of the cats now, and I told her to let me know if she needs help with anything, with caring for them, anything like that. So I don't know what's going to happen with that, but we are postponing our get together until maybe over the weekend or sometime next week. So now, since Emily is home, she and my mom had plans to go out to lunch, so I can go out with them. So it's still fine, it still works out good, because I was kind of feeling bad that I wasn't able to have lunch with Emily today. So I'm going to be doing that, and then I'll be home in time for my 1:30 Zoom call, which, as Emily let you know, I am really excited for. We just got lunch. It's like a grilled cheese burger with fries. Me and my mom actually are splitting it.
And I ruined everything because I started eating.
Emily just ruined everything. And Grandma got a pickle. It's very exciting. Grandma has to have a pickle with her meal. And Emily got some kind of like a vegetable focaccia, which actually also looks really good. There we go. Doesn't that look good?
Isn't Mom obnoxious?
Can you guys see this bird? I have a new bird. It's so cute. It was just in the feeder, but then I scared it away. It's already about 4 o'clock at night. I finished my Zoom call trip report with Sarah. It was so much fun. We talked about Disney for over an hour, and I definitely could have talked for at least an hour more. I really enjoy hearing people tell me all about their trips, especially trips that I have helped plan. So it just makes me so happy. We had such a good time. So basically, I spent a lot of my day working on that, because after I finished up with her, I got right to editing, just because I wanted to make sure everything was working appropriately and that I would be able to share it on my Patreon channel, hopefully this weekend. And now I think I am headed to Spirit Halloween again, because Jim and I got our Halloween costumes, but there are some issues with them. And I'll share with you guys later on this week what we ended up getting for Halloween costumes this year, because we have our party coming up, which is exciting. So I'll be sharing that with you guys soon, but I think we're going to head out now maybe. Madison's checking the app. Do they have the things that we need or no? Okay, that's one of the things.
And then
Don't say it, because I'm not telling them what the costume is yet. But do they have it? All right, oh, my finger's getting a little bit better too, by the way, but all right, I have to help her out. We're gonna see if they have a couple of things I need to pick up there. I think I'm gonna stop at Dunkin' because I am so tired. I feel like I need some caffeine, and I will catch up with you guys later. Okay, so I am back from Spirit Halloween. I actually just had a cup of coffee from Dunkin', which is late for me to be having coffee, and I'm feeling ambitious, so I think I'm gonna do some stuff around the house. So what I think I'm going to do is clean out the mudroom a little bit because we have our party next weekend and lots of people are going to be in and out of here, and this is the room that just always gets so out of control. Like, these bins are overflowing, there's too many shoes everywhere. So I think I'm going to work on that a little bit, and then I might, if I still have daylight, I might clean up the yard a little bit. That's supposed to be tomorrow's plan, so if I don't get to it, that's okay too. But since I'm highly caffeinated right now, I'm going to take advantage of it and do something. But first, I think this means that somebody wants to take a walk. You want to take a walk, Leo? Chester, how about you? Do you want to take a walk? Is it walk time? Yeah? All right. Okay, so I did this in years past, so I'm going to do it again. Let's see if you guys can guess what Halloween costumes we're going to be this year. This is what I picked up for Jim. So he has a pipe, and then he also has this hat. And I'll show you part of my costume that I'm actually not wearing, and that is this ugly wig. I'm not going to be wearing it, but that is part of my costume, and this is part of Jim's. So let me know in the comments below if you have any guesses as to what we are going to be this year. You guys even believe it's like 6 o'clock at night and it's about 80 degrees outside. I cannot even believe this weather. We have some crazy stuff going on. Emily and her boyfriend were driving back to college and the brakes went on the car. So we're dealing with that right now. Stay tuned. Just talked to Emily. Thank goodness they were able to get safely to a place to hopefully fix the car, and now Emily's going to be borrowing my car at least for the night because they do have to get back to college tonight. I think that her boyfriend Brandon has some type of a paper due by midnight tonight, but he has to be on campus to do it. So it's getting a little bit crazy around here, but thank goodness they're safe. Today was kind of a crazy day, right? Lots of random things going on. But I am going to now continue my work in the mudroom over here because I still have some light and it's not cold out, and I'm kind of enjoying just getting some tidying up done because today was a little bit chaotic and I didn't focus much on anything here at home. Well, it's after 10 o'clock at night and here's what happened. I was cleaning the mudroom. Emily and Brandon came back to the house and they asked if we could just bring them back to college. This way Emily could get her car and they would just be able to go about their weekend without having to drive back and forth to return my car to me. So me and Jim ended up bringing them back to college, and then there is this whole street where they have all of these different restaurants. It's really, really nicely set up. Lots of outdoor dining, which I really loved. They had a lot of like breweries and pubs and things where you could sit outside and order food. So we ended up doing that. We had a great dinner. The food was surprisingly good. I ended up getting a black bean burger and sweet potato fries. It was good. It was nice to spend time with Emily and Brandon. I was really happy that we got to spend our Friday night with them because I feel bad when I don't really get to see Emily on the weekends, and this was a weekend that she was going to not be home. Even though she did come for a surprise visit on Thursday night, she wasn't spending the weekend with us. So I was happy we got to have dinner together, but now we're home pretty late because it is quite a distance from our house. And I am going to upload this video, maybe get some editing done and get to bed because I am tired. But it was a great night. It was a really fun day. I hope that you guys enjoyed coming along, and I will see you guys in the morning. Good night.